They call me Black Man with a Afro, and I desire junk food and chicken. It's two things you don't mess with. My goddamn Afro and my motherfucking chicken. Think you gonna get my chicken, nigga? Please. Motherfucker, you better listen. A motherfucker like me, built on ambition. I'm a bad motherfucker. Can't you see? The baddest motherfucker ain't got shit on me. They call me Black Man with a Afro. Don't I look slick? But you put one hand on my Afro, it's gonna be some shit.